Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nkoye aka Ndinaija, and I am here with a video where I'd like to share my car maintenance log from my Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner to a Happy Planner sheet, or to Happy Planner sheets. I'm doing this because I want my service records to be more accessible by being on discs and, spruce it up a bit and see what I'm going to do for 2019, because I don't want to have the maintenance that I did prior to now be in two separate places. So I've already taken out some filler paper from this large book of mine here, and I will show you guys what I'm about to do. Now, the reason you would want to do this, if you haven't already done it, is because writing down all the services that have been performed on your car, along with mileage and the costs, these will help you determine how much you need to put in your sinking funds, or put aside every month in your sinking funds for car maintenance. Right now it's not a perfect science, and I believe the suggestion is maybe $1,500 or so per car. I forget what it is, but I have read something about the cost. I know if it's, say, a house, you're supposed to put aside 2% of the purchase price, or the whatever the house is worth. You're supposed to put that amount, 2%, aside for home maintenance. So this is what my service record looked like last year. Well, it's more than last year. So that's the car, the mileage I bought it at. These are my dates, the services that I performed, mileage, and the costs. And part of the reason that I wanted to update this today was because I went to the folks to try and get some maintenance done on the car. I got an oil change and replaced the cabin air filter and got the wheels rotated. And these two, well, all four of these were suggested to me by the folks that were doing the maintenance. I happened to go to the dealer. And when I looked at some of these items, well, the one item, this alignment in particular, I thought to myself, I feel like I've done this before. And I decided to come to my maintenance log. Now, whenever you replace tires and you replace more than one tire, you're supposed to do alignment in order to balance. You're supposed to do a wheel balancing and alignment in order to make sure that your car is still going straight, all tires going in the same direction at the same time, except when you're turning or whatever. And yeah, so it's right here in front of me. All right, I'm going to transfer these items and do a calculation of what I spent. And let's see, what I spent within a year. Now, my first service date was October 2017, and the last one in 2018 was in November. So I'm going to call it a year and total up those costs. But first of all, I want to transfer it in here to one of these sheets, or two, and make it look pretty. So I will speed this up and put down some washi and stickers, and we shall be back. Alrighty folks, so here it is, the completed maintenance log for my car. Don't mind my crooked washi lines. If you're doing this, you don't need to use washi or stickers or any of that. Ordinary pen and paper would be fine. As you can see, I initially just used mild liners and that was that. Whoa. Oops. A second. I totaled up the costs here. I should have left more space for that, but that's neither here nor there. I totaled up all the costs for what I spent on the car from the first maintenance to the end of 2018. I also included the maintenance that was just done on the car. And let's see what the sinking fund calculation has to say. Based upon the costs or what I paid, I don't know if no, I wouldn't call it 2 years. I'm calling it 1 year, right? So based on what I paid last year, I should be putting $300 a month into the sinking fund. Can you guys see that? Oh, here it is. Let's try that again. So I totaled up all of these and put that down, 3, 5, 8, 6, and 51 cents divided by 12 a year, 298.87 or 0.88, which is equals to $300. So I'm currently not doing that. However, it's something to know as an aim and a goal to work towards, especially if I keep this car. So that's that. Hope this helps. If you don't already have a maintenance log for your car, I would really encourage you to do so because I was able to avoid a $100 service today because I remembered, I need to go check my maintenance log. So that's all, folks. Hope you have a great one. Bye.